CAM in Fusion 360 offers efficient and easy-to-use programming that saves time before you even get to the machine. But there's still the matter of machine setup, especially for small-scale jobs where there might not be efficient mechanisms in place. Fortunately, the combination of model intelligence and probing cycles within Fusion 360 can help increase process reliability and improve part accuracy. Probing cycles can locate stock accurately in the machine without the need for manual probing every cycle, which can significantly add to machine setup time. Set the clearance and over travel to set the allowable location error before the machine alarms, so you can swap stock quickly without extensive locating. Probe between features to tighten tolerances without increasing tolerances across the entire part. Advanced users will be glad to know tool orientation enables probing in multi-axis programs. Probing cycles in Fusion 360 can shorten setup time while increasing process reliability and part accuracy, saving you time and reducing scrap rate. All this and more in Fusion 360.